Hey guys, welcome to Beautiful Talks, and today we will be doing this spring nail art. I know I usually don't narrate in my nail art, but this is a special one because I am collaborating with lovely Pareenita. She is an amazing nail artist, and don't forget to check out her channel. I will link it in the description bar below. Now coming on to the nail art I did. So that was basically it. Now don't forget to check out Pareenita's channel. She has done a really beautiful nail art, so don't forget to check her out. Let me know if you want me to narrate my future nail art videos. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me, and also maybe click that notification bell. That would be amazing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.